Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Step. In this video, I am going to guide you through how to delete your Bumble account. To do that, first open up the Bumble app. After opening up the Bumble app, go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon, which should be on the bottommost left corner. After clicking that, click on a gear-like icon, which should be on the topmost right corner. After doing that, if you scroll down, then you'll see an option called Delete Account. Click that, and it will ask you a reason for deleting account. If the reason suits you, then select any one. If not, then click on Others and place in the reason. For now, let's just click Found in a Relationship. After that, a Delete Account option will pop up. Along with that, a Hide Profile and Take Me to a Bumble BFF option will also pop out. If you are deciding to delete Bumble temporarily, then I'll suggest you to click on Hide My Profile. If not, then just click on Delete Account. So after that, type in Delete to confirm and confirm it. So that was the process of deleting your account on Bumble. If you find this video useful, then make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification button if you wish to get notification of our newest uploads. For now, thank you for watching the video.